Two terms. One is x square, one is a square. A square constant must be in the form of the square. Suppose 1 by x square plus 7. We write x square plus constant in the form of a square. So we apply this formula 1 by a square plus x square. Suppose there is a root function, we apply this formula 1 by under root x square plus a square dx. Suppose, listen very carefully. Suppose x square plus tan x plus 1 given x square term, x term and constant. We want only x square term and a square term, x square and a square. So we first eliminate x term. That is very important. We have type 1, type 2, type 3 and so on. 6 or 7 methods. In all these methods, this point is very important. When there is x term, first remove that x term. How to remove that one? All of you listen. X square plus 10x add plus b square minus b square plus 1 x square plus 10x add b square minus b square plus 1. How to calculate b value? That is important. B value equal to half of coefficient of x. B value equal to half of coefficient of x. Half of coefficient of x is 10. So by cancellation we get b value 5. So add 5 square minus 5 square. So add plus b square and b minus b square. B value is half of coefficient of x. So b value 5. B square minus b square. So first 3 terms. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, 1 minus 25 minus 24 x plus 5 whole square minus root 24 whole square. This is x square term. This is a square term. So all formulas are in the x square and a square terms. So we get x square term and a square term. So suppose there is a minus 10x. Suppose there is a minus 10x. Whether there is plus 10x or minus 10x, calculation is same, plus b square minus b square. Suppose there is a plus symbol, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square. Suppose there is minus symbol, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b whole square. There is only one change. x square value plus x value plus we get a plus b whole square formula. X coefficient is minus, we get the a minus b whole square formula. Plus b square minus b square is common. Okay. Next, another example. See, suppose given 2x square minus 3x plus 1. First, x square coefficient must be equal to 1. X square coefficient must be equal to 1. So, take 2 common. Take 2 common. X square minus 3 by 2x plus 1 by 2. X square coefficient must be plus 1. Must be plus 1. So take 2 common. X square minus 3 by 2x plus 1 by 2. X square minus 3 by 2x of coefficient of x. Of coefficient of x is 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. That is 3 by 4. This is b value. This is b value. Add b square minus b square. This 1 by 2 is this one. B x coefficient 3 by 2. Of x coefficient 3 by 4. So add plus b square minus b square. This 1 by 2 is this one. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square. X square term is over. Next, how to get the a square term? Minus 9 by 16. This is a minus b whole square. Minus 9 by 16 plus 1 by 2. X minus 3 by 4 whole square. 16 LCM. 16 cancel. Minus 9. 2. 8 times cancel. Plus 8. So total value minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So this is the x square value, this is the a square value. First take 2 common. X square 3 by 2x. Add plus b square minus b square. So first calculate b value. B equal to of coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 3 by 2. So 3 by 4. Add plus b square minus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square. This is the x square term. X square term. Write this constant as a square. Take 16 common. Minus 9. 2 table 8 times cancel. Plus 8. Total minus 1 by 16. A square form. 1 by 4 a square. So 1 is x square. Second one is a square. This is the procedure to eliminate the x term. To eliminate the x term. This is the procedure. Write down. Evaluate integral 1 by ax square plus bx plus c 1 by under root ax square plus bx plus c and integral under root ax square plus bx plus c. Evaluate 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, 1 by under root ax square plus bx plus c, under root ax square plus bx plus c. First eliminate this b term, quotient of x. Eliminate the x term. Suppose given this problem, we get one of these three. Suppose given this problem, we get one of these three. Suppose given this problem, we get one of these three. Then we apply the corresponding formula. That is the procedure. Write down. First Roman, second bit. Integral 1 by x square plus 6x plus 10 dx. Integral right का నాతో పాటు కంటిన్యూ చేయండి x square 6x b value of x coefficient 3, so add 3 square minus 3 square plus 10 dx. 1 by a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square minus 9 plus 10 dx. 1 by x plus 3 whole square, 10 minus 9 1. Write in a square form, plus 1. Write as a square form. 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. We apply this formula. 1 by a tan inverse x, where x value x plus 3, a value 1, a value 1. Under root x square plus 2x plus 10 dx. 1 by under root x square plus 2x, b value of coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of x is 2, 2 to cancel, add 1 square minus 1 square plus 10. Integral 1 by under root a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 1 9. Write this constant in the form of a square. Integral 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 3 square plus 3 square. We apply this formula 1 by under root x square plus a square sine h inverse x by a sine h inverse x by a, x value x under root 2x minus 3x square plus 1 dx. 2x minus 3x square plus 1 dx. Make the coefficient of x square plus 1. Make the coefficient of x square plus 1. There is x square coefficient is minus 3. So take minus 3 common. All of you listen. 1 by under root. Take minus 3 common. X square minus 2 by 3x minus 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3 dx. All of you listen. Suppose ఇక్కడ మనకు రూట్ లేదనుకోండి అమ్మా, వితౌట్ రూట్ ప్రాబ్లం అనుకోండి. వితౌట్ రూట్ ప్రాబ్లం అయితే మైనస్ 3 మొత్తం బయటకు వచ్చేస్తుంది 1 by minus 3. బట్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ రూట్ ఫంక్షన్. రూట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంటే రిమెంబర్ దిస్ పాయింట్. రూట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఉంటే కాన్స్టెంట్ ఒక్కటే బయటికి రావాలి. మైనస్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా రూట్ నుంచి బయటికి తీసుకురాకూడదు. ఓన్లీ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఒక్కటే బయటికి తీసుకురావాలి. సో 3 becomes to root 3. This is in the denominator. So 1 by root 3, 1 by under root. This minus is this one. రూట్ ఫంక్షన్ లేకపోతే మైనస్ 3 మొత్తం బయటకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. రూట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రం మైనస్ బయటికి తీసుకురాకూడదు. రిమెంబర్ దట్ పాయింట్. రూట్ ఉంటే మైనస్ లోపలే ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ లిజన్. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ 2 by 3x half of coefficient of x 2 cancel. So 1 by 3 whole square 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 dx plus b square minus b square. This minus 1 by 3, this one 1 by root 3, 1 by under root minus of a square plus b square minus 2ab a minus b whole square minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3 dx. 1 by root 3, 1 by minus of x minus 1 by 3 whole square 9 LCM minus 9 cancel minus 1 3 table 3 times cancel minus 3 dx minus of x minus 1 by 3 x minus 1 by 3. This is a minus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9, 1 by root 3 under root minus of x minus 3, x minus 1 by 3 whole square, 2 by 3 whole square. Suppose there is no minus symbol, we apply the formula 1 by under root x square minus a square cos h inverse x by a. ఒకవేళ మైనస్ లేకపోతే ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేసేవాళ్ళం. సో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మల్టిప్లై విత్ దిస్ మైనస్, మైనస్ వాల్యూ బికమ్స్ టు ప్లస్, ప్లస్ వాల్యూ బికమ్స్ టు మైనస్. 1 by root 3 under root 2 minus 3 whole square x minus 1 by 3 whole square dx in the form of a square minus x square 1 by root 3 sin inverse x by a under root a square minus x square sin inverse x by a. Last step 1 by root 3 sin inverse, take 3 LCM, take 3 LCM, 3x minus 1 by 2 by 3 by 3 by 3 cancel.